Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking to you about the Apollo 24/7 app. It is an amazing app with more than 1 million downloads. I'm going to be talking to you about all the things that you can do through this app, and I also purchased certain things from the app recently, so I'm also going to be showing you all of these things. If you're new here, please make sure you like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So Apollo 24/7 app is available on Play Store and has more than 1 million downloads and has a 4.2 rating. It's a good app because it lets you book doctor appointments, which has become very necessary in the times of COVID. Has your medicines delivered at your home. You can also place requests for blood tests. So yeah, it helps digitize your medical needs and is a very good app. So you have a section there which has medicines and essentials. So in that section you get like all the things that you require अभी के टाइम पे, कोविड के टाइम पे जितने भी essential चीज़ें होती हैं, daily essential चीज़ें like hand wash, your sanitizers, your disinfectant sprays, vitamin C capsules, immunity building capsules, cough syrups, oximeters, all of these things are available. Also they keep Savlon and Dettol, which come like really handy. Now I ordered some things, placed the order I think day before yesterday, and they got delivered today. So yeah, they took 2 days to deliver the products to me because I have a Apollo pharmacy close to me, and there are loads and loads of Apollo pharmacy. So if you have one close to you, then you will get the order like within 2 days max. So when they confirm your order, you get an alert. When they pack your order, you get an alert. When they're done billing your order, you get an alert. And when they're out for delivery, you get an alert. So you get these alerts both in the app and also on the number that you've provided while registering on the app. So yeah, you get SMS alerts as well as alerts built in the app. So let me go ahead and show you what all I got from the app, and please hang on till the end of the video because this is going to be a helpful video. So yeah, let's begin. Now the first thing that I got from Amazon app is this Amla juice, which is their own Amla juice. This is from Apollo itself, and ये एक 1 liter का bottle है. Now this retails for ₹240, but on the app आपको 5 to 7 rupees का discount मिल जाएगा, which is something which you will not get over the counter. So if you request for home delivery on this app, you will get not that much of discount, but you will get good enough discount on all the different products. So I got this Amla juice because I want to have it like every morning. So how you need to consume it is in a glass of water, you need to take 2 tablespoons of Amla juice and have it empty stomach both in the morning in the evening. Now Amla juice is something which is packed with benefits. It has so many benefits, you guys. This is good for your hair, like it helps you deal with premature graying of hair and hair fall, also with weight loss because it helps you flush out toxins, all the wastes from your body, and also helps in blood purification, also helps you deal with cholesterol levels. It helps boost up your immunity, and all in all it is one of the richest sources of vitamin C on the planet. So you definitely will benefit a lot if you have this regularly. Last year मैंने एक bottle खत्म किया था आमला जूस का, that was from Patanjali, but this time around I wanted to try this product from Apollo. This product has 0 sugar and 0 total fat in it, so 99.9% is pure amla juice and the remaining is preservatives, which obviously you will require because you want this to have some shelf life, right? This has like an expiry time of 12 months. You need to consume it within 12 months. You get 1 liter of amla juice in this bottle, and yeah, all the different benefits are mentioned on the packaging as well as on the bottle. You need to shake it well before you use it. So yeah, this is full of vitamins, minerals, and I just can't wait to start having it. And yeah, इसको खाने के बाद आपको 30 minutes तक खाना नहीं लेना है, so you need to keep a gap of 30 minutes between this and your meal. So yeah, I'm going to start having this tomorrow and let's see how it helps me. Now the next thing that I got is very random and something which I like because it's sort of tangy and I love the taste. I got Hajmola for me. This is the Imli variant. I don't really like the other variant, like that orange bottle. I'm not too fond of it. So yeah, there's nothing new that I can tell you about this. I'm sure all of you have tasted. So yeah, this is another thing that I got from the app. Moving on, I got myself these oats cookies from Apollo. So this retails for 42 rupees, but I got this for 37 rupees on the app. Like I mentioned, थोड़ा बहुत discount आपको मिल जाता है each and every product पे. This has 100 grams of product in it, and the best part is that in these biscuits there is 0 cholesterol and 0 trans fatty acid, which is like a good thing. So if you like your cup of chai every evening like I do, you can have this as the biscuit. Okay, like this is much better than having craving those very fatty biscuits which are loaded with butter or sugar, you can go for this one instead. This also has sugar and honey, like in a controlled quantity mein hai, doesn't have too much of it. And yeah, it is made up of best quality oats, so you can definitely go ahead and try this. Unke paas aur bhi cookies the, they have multi-grain cookies and other sort of cookies as well, so please visit the app and check out the other options. Now the next thing that I got is something which is like an Ayurvedic medicine, you can say, and it is from Himalaya. I got these Rumalia tablets from Himalaya. Now this has 60 tablets and retails for 125 rupees, but yeah, again I got it for around 120 rupees on the app. Something which helps you with joint pain, arthritis, frozen shoulders and all of these things. It basically helps you deal with conditions which are like inflammatory conditions, and if you have a lot of rheumatic inflammatory conditions and joint pains and arthritis, then this tablet is known to help. So yeah, I have also tried Himalaya ke Triphala tablets, which have really helped me with some digestion issues that I used to have earlier. So Himalaya ke ye wale tablets jo hai na bilkul natural hote hain and have very good customer ratings. If you check the ratings on Google, you will find very good customer ratings. So yeah, I got this for my mom actually. Now basically Himalaya is known for making like very herbal and natural products, but still I will recommend you all to consult a doctor or a physician before you let someone have it, or if you yourself plan to have it, I would definitely recommend you to first consult with the doctor and then go ahead and use it. Now the last product that I'm going to show you in today's video is this face wash which I got from Pond's. This is the Pond's White Beauty Spotless Fairness face wash. Helps you get rid of your dead skin cells, because of which it helps you deal with your spots and also helps you get like that radiance that your love. I quite like the formula. It has a very gentle foam like formula and it retails for 150, but मुझे थोड़े से सेल पे मिल गया था तो मैंने ये पिक किया है because my Biotique Bio Papaya face wash is over, so I wanted a face wash, so I ordered this one from the app and I'm happy. So that's it for today's video, you guys. I spoke to you about the Apollo 24/7 app. I had previously made a video on useful products that you can buy from Apollo Pharmacy. In case you haven't checked that video, I will link that in the description box below. And yeah, they have a lot of good stuff, like you get pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, like I mentioned, Savlon, Dettol, sanitizers, all of that they have of their own brand also and other brands also. So in case you're looking for getting medicines delivered, you can definitely go ahead and use the app. The user interface is also quite simple, it's not too complicated. But yes, for certain medicines you will definitely need to upload a doctor's prescription, but if you're looking for something which is like generally used, then you can just go ahead and order straight away, no worries on that part. So yeah, I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video, which is going to be really soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Loads and loads of love. Bye bye.